Are you paying too much for your cloud connectivity? Well, how do you know? Let's dig into that. So if you have your enterprise headquarter, it could be a financial institution, retail stores, energy, Industry 4.0, lots of different enterprises. And you may have branches in other parts of the country or internationally connected. It's all coming together with an SD-WAN connection coming back to corporate. And because of the nature of the applications that are important for this enterprise, they have selected to connect their cloud compute with Direct Connect. They're also connected with AWS using something known as Direct Connect, which comes in 3 different port speeds: 1 gigabit Ethernet, 10 gigabit Ethernet, and 100 gigabit Ethernet. This is roughly $200, this is roughly $1,600, and this is roughly $13,000. So a huge price difference between the 3 options. How do you know if you are on the right one? Are you on a port that's too big and you're wasting money, or are you on a too small, causing congestion and quality of experience issues? And the answer is, you put an AppLogic box from AppLogic Networks on this link. That AppLogic box will help you understand the traffic, and in this case, especially understand the peaks. What apps, users, devices, buildings are contributing the most to the peak? And once you understand that, you take a look at what it is. And some of it will be important, critical, real-time things that should be on that link and should be taking a significant portion of that link. But some will be unnecessary, and especially unnecessary during the peak, maybe using too much volume, such as backups or large file transfers or health monitoring with SNMP, or even recreational things that are consuming this bandwidth. So once you understand what it is and how important it is, then you go to the second step, which is control. Control the traffic. Again, with the same AppLogic Networks box. Shape the non-critical things, maybe even block the things that shouldn't be there. And once you've done that, chances are pretty good that in the third step, you can downgrade. You can go from the 10 gig to the 1 gig, or from the 100 gig to the 10 gig, because your traffic now fits on the smaller port without exhausting it. But to make sure that you're doing the right thing, as a fourth step, you monitor the quality of experience and you look at the trends. Are you providing the users and apps with a good QoE? And is there sufficient headroom to grow in the future? If there's not, then in the future you may have to upgrade to the larger port again. So in summary, by using AppLogic Networks box to understand, control, and then potentially downgrade those links, you can save tens of thousands of dollars per year. And that is how AppLogic Networks make networks more affordable.